Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to publish an app you created in Google AI Studio to the Apple App Store. Follow these steps to get your app live. Step 1. Access Google AI Studio. Open your web browser and search for Google AI Studio. Navigate to the official homepage and ensure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Select your project. Choose the project you want to publish from your dashboard. Once you're inside the project, locate and tap the share icon. Then tap Copy to copy your project link to your clipboard. Step 3. Set up App My Site. Open a new browser tab and search for App My Site. Click on Start for free and wait for the platform to load. Tap Get Started again to begin. Step 4. Configure your app. Enter your desired app name. Select Web2 app as your app type. Paste the Google AI Studio project link you copied earlier into the designated field. Tap Create App. Step 5. Customize your app. Choose your preferred color theme and tap Continue. Then navigate to the Preview section and wait for the preview to load. Here you can see how your app will function on both Android and iPhone devices. Step 6. Generate your app files. Tap Download. You'll see options to download both the Android and iOS app files. To access the iOS app files, you will need to upgrade your plan on App My Site. Step 7. Build your app. After upgrading, tap Build App, wait for the build process to complete. Once finished, tap Publish. Step 8. Submit to Apple App Store. Select Apple App Store as your publishing destination and tap Publish again. You will be redirected to the Apple Developer Program portal, where you'll upload your app files for official review. Step 9. Wait for approval. Once you've submitted your app, Apple's review team will evaluate it. After they approve your submission, your app will be officially available on the Apple App Store for users to download. Congratulations! Your Google AI Studio app is now on its way to the App Store. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching.